Instantly AI, basically a beginner guide. So, this is a cold email automation platform that is used for lead generation and outreach campaigns. So, that's the general idea on how Instantly works. So, to use this, you can go ahead and open up Instantly.ai. You can go into the website. You can do this in any preferred browser, but once you do that, you can start for free. You can see a demo as well, or you could log in if for some reason you already have an account. If you want to take a look at their subscriptions, there should be a pricing section where you can take a look at the features and benefits you can get from them. But before you start, there are some products, use cases, and resources over here you can take a look at if you want to get a general idea on how most of the tools work. But to get started, of course, press on the start for free option and then you can log in using an email or a Gmail account. But you can have to agree to their terms and conditions before you can do so. But once you logged in, you will be able to enter your dashboard. You can enter a tour if you'd like, but it pretty much depends on you if you want to explore it by yourself. So to get started, you can go ahead and connect your inboxes. You can enable the email warm-up feature to improve deliverability, and then you're gonna have to focus on the left tab over here, which will show most of the tools. You have the co-pilot. You can start a new chat if you like. You can choose it to read your website. You can read a PDF or text file, and here they can pre-fill your business details with the content of your website or your text file or PDF. So it pretty much depends on you. You can skip the chat if you'd like, or you could edit manually. But put in mind that once doing this, it will cost some credits. So you could either upgrade or you could change your limits or get new credits, of course. So you can do that by getting all features, but it will cost you a certain amount. You have other tools over here like the automations. You can add a new one over here. Pretty much similar to other automation tools where you add a trigger and with that a specific action, but pretty much depends on you at what kind of trigger you want. You have the super search over here. You can add filters on your job titles, locations, industry, and keywords. You have the email accounts that we pretty much already mentioned. You can add new emails if you'd like. Campaigns, so you can add your campaign over here. You can upload your leads through a CSV file or integrations, and then write your cold email sequence with follow-up messages before launching the campaign. So once the campaign is active, you can instantly automatically send emails based on your schedule and rotates messages across connected inboxes to avoid spam filters. So that's where the email accounts that you added goes mostly to use. And the dashboard lets you track your metrics like your open rates, replies, and bounce rates so you can evaluate the overall performance. You can also test different subject lines. You can adjust your targeting and scale outreach by adding more emails or accounts to increase sending volume. But that's basically the general idea on how the app Instantly AI website works. So you can always go ahead and explore if you like, since that is one of the best ways you can learn how it works. So hopefully the information of this video can still help you though. And if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.